Hello guys, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon para mag-video at aking upload sa YouTube. Ito nga pala ay para sa aking grado. At ang pag-uusapan pala natin ay kung ano ang aking pangarap at kung sino ang aking naging inspirasyon. Let's go! The first thing I want to talk about is my dream. When I was in elementary school, I wanted to become a seaman. But when I found out that it was expensive, I decided to change my dream. I told myself that I would just pursue agricultural engineering. When I was in grade 9, I realized that I was good at solving problems and could finish them quickly using formulas. Because of this, I became more interested in agriculture. Now, I am in grade 11 taking agriculture, and I'm still working towards my dream of becoming an agricultural engineering. I am grateful that my parents support my dream. They wanted me to become a police officer, but I told them that it was dangerous because I might get shot. Even though I chose a different path, they still support me in my studies. I appreciate their understanding because I know they only want what is best for me. The support motivate me to work hard and do my best in school. My parents are my biggest inspiration. I see how hard they work just to send me to school. That is why I want to succeed and give them better life. I want to repay them for all their sacrifices. I know the journey will not be easy, but I am determined to achieve my dream and make a difference. Yun na po ang lahat. Salamat po sa pakikinig. Goodbye!